Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making threads clean and dry. This matters because sealant bonds to metal, not grime. Once done, choose a product matched to the system's pressure and fluid, since chemical compatibility prevents leaks and failures. Now apply a thin, even coat to the male threads. Avoid the first 1 or 2 threads so excess doesn't foul the joint. Make sure to use just enough. Too much can squeeze into the system and cause blockage. Steady, controlled strokes work best. You hand thread the parts to seat them, then tighten to the manufacturer's torque. This compresses the sealant and forms the mechanical seal. Once assembled, promptly wipe away any visible excess from joint faces so it won't harden into a mess. Clean tools ease this step. Next, let the sealant cure. Most liquid thread compounds have a skin time and a full cure time. Make sure to follow the product's specified windows. Partial handling versus full pressurization to avoid disturbing the forming seal. You now pressure test the assembly at the recommended ramp rate. Slow pressurization reveals seepage and ensures the sealant isn't shocked. If you see a leak, depressurize, disassemble, and inspect threads. Contamination, uneven application, or old product are common causes. Clean surfaces fully, replace damaged parts, then reapply a thin, even coat and reassemble. If cure time or chemical compatibility were wrong, switch to the correct product. That single troubleshooting step, clean, reapply, retest, fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.